Hi! In front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Nokia. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then choose Advanced, go into Permission Manager and select one of your Nokia's features like Location. Then pick an app. I will go with Maps. Over here, select one of the options by clicking at the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to this device location. You can also, though, just tap on one of your apps, select See All Maps permissions over here, and manage all of them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!